This is Sensor Studio for Lost Learning. We'll quickly deliver Middle East war news. According to Axios, President Trump said he may send ground troops to seize Kharg Island, a major strategic point. According to Politico, President Trump has asked a total of 7 countries to join the Hormuz International Coalition. The original 5 countries, South Korea, Japan, China, the United Kingdom, and France, now have 2 more added, but it's unclear which 2. President Trump has sparked controversy by saying that if war breaks out, soldiers could die. He also said that all the Iranian leaders have been removed, so he doesn't know who to negotiate with. President Trump is considering delaying US-China talks and urging China to deploy a fleet to the Hormuz area. President Trump said China gets 90% of its oil from overseas via the Hormuz area, so it will help open the strait. He told the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff he was unhappy that the Hormuz Strait can't be opened quickly, according to the New York Times. The Israeli military attacked a ballistic missile production facility located in Tehran. The facility was situated near a missile launch site. There were intensive airstrikes in Tehran, Iran. The US military and the Israeli military attacked Iranian Air Force bases in Khuzestan province and Bandar Abbas. A large explosion was confirmed in Isfahan, Iran, and also in Hamadan, Iran. The Israeli and US militaries jointly attacked an Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps base in Iran and continued targeting the law enforcement command. The Iranian military launched 7 missile attacks on Israel, with cluster munitions also hitting Tel Aviv. Currently, Iran has launched Sejil ballistic missiles toward Israel and claimed responsibility. The Sejil ballistic missile is a solid-fueled, medium-range ballistic missile with a range of 2,000 kilometers. Iran's ballistic missiles were intercepted in southern Israel. Rockets fired by Hezbollah landed in various parts of Israel. It is believed that Hezbollah targeted Israeli defense industry facilities, including the industrial complex in Rafah. This is Lebanon. In Lebanon, Hezbollah forces carried out a total of 31 attacks on Israeli villages. They also fired anti-tank missiles at Israeli military vehicles 7 times. It appears that Hezbollah's attacks are gradually increasing. In addition, the Israeli military is continuing ground operations in southern Lebanon. The 769th Brigade of the Israeli 91st Division identified and destroyed Hezbollah facilities in southern Lebanon. This is Dubai International Airport. An Iranian military drone hit it, causing a fire. As of March 15th, the number of Iranian missiles and drones falling on the UAE has significantly decreased. On March 15th, only 4 ballistic missiles and 6 drones were launched. According to a US public opinion poll, only 41% of Americans support a war with Iran. In Iran, at least 500 people have been arrested on charges of sharing information with hostile forces against the country. As I mentioned yesterday, Japanese Prime Minister Kaichi said the peace constitution prevents sending troops to the Strait of Hormuz. Japan has begun releasing oil reserves equal to 45 days' supply. Crew members from a Thai cargo ship attacked by Iranian forces near the strait arrived in Bangkok on Monday via Oman. Ukrainian intelligence reports that Iran is using Russian-made drones to attack US military bases in Gulf nations. President Zelensky confirmed that Shahed drones made in Russia struck a US base. Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman and UAE President Mohammed bin Zayed warned that continued Iranian attacks on Gulf Cooperation Council states could create dangerous situations threatening regional security, Saudi news reports say. The UK Maritime Trade Operations reports no merchant ship attacks in the Strait of Hormuz for 3 days. If 2 more reports come in, I'll make and upload a video. Thanks for watching.